PD-NE. We have a new concept. Don't use drones to carry your goods. Turn your goods into drones. By attaching 4 of the PD-NE's independent propellers and motors, you can transform chairs, tables, or anything into a drone. Making a concept a reality, we provide motor units fitted with CRP, a flight controller, an IMU, a battery, etc., all in one package. We provide the freedom to choose a combination of either 4 or 6 CRP. Once the master is designated, the other units interact wirelessly to automatically become slaves. Since each of the units calibrate automatically before flight, all the operator needs to do is press start. Equipped with high-powered motors and the technology we've cultivated through our experience in large platform drone production, ProDrone makes anything a drone.